I've been bipping at you for the last 10 minutes to come outside. You couldn't hear me. What the hell is that noise?
I was busy. I tried the chilies.
What the hell are you doing?
I tried the chilies on the spin. Very spin, no water. Just a higher spin. Because I can't do with my hands to squeeze.
Hang on a minute, hang on a minute. I've been outside in the car waiting for you for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Right? I come in here and there's all this noise.
Yeah.
And you told me you're drying chilies.
Dry chilies, look, take it. Take it.
What the hell is that?
Take the chilies.
It's a bag.
Yeah, that's bag. I put it here, see? They're dry.
You put chilies in that washing machine.
For dry, you dickhead.
Show me.
Oh.
Are you ready? We've got to go to Aldi's. Come on.
Yeah, we got Aldi.
I can't believe you put chilies in the bloody washing machine. Show me.
The washing machine not for wash, you dickhead.
Hey?
Not for wash. For dry, spin dry. Look.
Holy shit.
See?
Whoa. What
See?
the hell is that?
See? That's chilies. Now put on the blender.
So now you're going to put them
On the blender.
in the blender.
Yeah. After I do the sauce, you want to see?
Hang on, I'm confused here.
You're confused because you don't understand it, dickhead.
You're going to put that in the blender
Yeah.
and put it in the sauce for the sausages.
Yeah.
For the
not now. When we do again.
For the sausages.
Yeah, for the sausage. And then I put on the blender.
But hang on, did you wash them or just spin dry?
No, I wash first.
How did you wash them?
I cut them 3 times with water, cold water. I cut it in pieces, see? I cut it in pieces and put it for boiling. When it's nice...
No wonder my bloody clothes stink of chilies, mate.
Shut up, will ya?
Oh my God, I've never heard of that.
Are you alright?
You
Or
put-
you need to go to the hospital.
You don't put chilies in the washing machine.
That's for spin and not for wash.
Oh, for spin.
Oh my God, I have a heart attack with you. Go away, my God.
For spin.
Yeah, now
What's that noise? This bloody thing here.
Yeah, that's
It's
it.
bloody loud.
Now I put on the blender. I put on the blender and I do the sauce and I put again on the fire. I put again here. See?
But they look like tomatoes. They don't look like chilies.
That's chilies.
Wow.
Yeah, red chilies. Your mama not stupid.
That's pretty smart. So you wash them and then you put them in a spin dryer.
No, have to boil 1 hour and a half.
Okay. All right. Come on. I got to go.
Aspect, I have to put on the blender now.
Huh?
I have to put on the blender to do the sauce.
Now you're going to put it in the blender.
Yeah, just a second, please.
Every day I come here,
I do something.
you surprise me with something.
Yeah.
Can you remind me never to have my clothes in your freaking dryer? Never again. That's just crazy.
Get out there, not touch it.
You've lost the plot.
Listen, you lost the plot, not me. Shut up. Because on the washing machine, it's just to spin and not to wash.
Are you getting smaller?
I got small every day.
Oh.
And you got big.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye, Dicky Head. Well, I spit, I have to take the... What you want here? Here. I have to put this...
So you hide the blender. Oh, you know why I know why you hide the blender in your bedroom.
Yeah.
So no one pinches it.
Yeah, that's it.
Because that's the only thing you've got that really means a lot to you, isn't it?
Of course.
Because you cook with it all the time.
I cook, I do sauce. Вики стакан да деца да браску. Oh my God.
You hide the blender in your
I have
bedroom.
to go. I have to go. Christ with you.
Most people hide their jewellery in the bedroom, you hide your blender.
I don't go. I don't hide the jewelry.
You're pretty smart. All right.
I don't hide nothing. Just now, just a minute. Now, you put on the blender here. See? Put on the blender.
So you're making chili paste.
Yes.
And who taught you how to put it in a spin dryer?
Huh?
Who taught you?
I do all the time.
You're sweating. That's because of the chilies are hot.
Oh yeah, hot. I don't put hot chilies.
They bloody My eyes are burning just bloody standing here.
It's not hot, dickhead. It's not hot. You understand? Oh God, why you sending me this one here? They don't understand nothing. You bloody Aussie.
Hey, listen. What do you want from Aldi's? You wake me up early to take you to Aldi's. What do you want?
I want the thing for hanging up the clothes.
The what?
The for hanging up the clothes. You know the things to put the clothes to dry?
Okay.
Yeah. And after, I come and I know what I have to do. Not you.
Careful it doesn't explode.
You spoil it.
You want me to do it for you?
No. Thank you.
That blender's bigger than you.
Huh?
That blender's bigger than you.
Because it's on the bench. My God. It's on the bench. Piss off.
Here we go. Nonna's blender. You love it.